Couple more. Get a bit of footage of this. More bloody footage of you than enough. I watched. Work on that back foot going parallel. Well played. Good. Keep working with your back foot, Mace. Good. Keep that back still. Don't drop it, lock it to your elbow, keep it there, keep it still. Shot, good one. Lovely balance, Mace. Alright, well watched. Alright, keep that head up. Keep punching it front square if we can. Good. Nice shape. A little bit quicker, Mace. Just keep watching it. Get that back foot behind the line. Move your back foot, Mace. Mace, you've only tapped it because you've not got into the right. Get your back foot behind it and bingo. That's going to go for 4. Working with your high elbow again. Get that left elbow high. Good shot. It's a proper shot, cut shot that. It's got big on you. Good. That back foot behind it. Back foot behind the line. All right, good. Hold your shape. Hold that elbow, punch it. Good shot, Mace. Try and lean towards it, don't lean back. Working on that back foot for me, get across. See, Mace, that's where you've dropped your bat. That's where your back lift has dropped and you can't generate any power because that's as hard as you can hit it. So try and keep that back still and work on that punch, yeah? Try and hold it still. Lock it by your right elbow. Right. Well played. Really good position, Mace. Better. Brilliant. Much better. Hold it still. Hold it still. Good. Keep that left elbow high. That blade coming through it. Hey! Took off that a bit, Mace, didn't it? You left your back out to dry though, didn't you? Get across, remember it's any wider than that you can cut it, yeah? Get your back still, mate, it's jumping around that back lift. Hold it still. Feel it against that right forearm. Just hold it still. Better. Hold it still. Good. Good, well watched. Waiting to pick up the line with your back foot. Keep working, mate. That's when he knows he's not generating his power. Hold it still. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there. Better. That was much better. Hold it still. Top hand, hold it still. Better. Alright, well watched.
Yeah, you keep going back to that habit, don't you?
Try and really work hard with your top hand, Mace, yeah? It's the left hand that will hold it there. This bottom one will drop it. It's the strong left hand. Alright, make sure it stays tight to you, but make sure that bat is still on off stump though. Don't want it wandering behind you, I want it on off stump. Right shot, nice timing. That left elbow, yep, stay side on. Move that one out of the way. Right, Major Key to mark your run-ups in here, yeah? Bowl a few, get loose, bring a set of stumps across. Whoa, could we cut that, Mace? If it, I didn't watch that time, sorry. I played, no you didn't. Keep the left side round. Yeah, but remember your left side. What happens when our left side throws that way? Yeah, the back comes across the line. Keep our left side engaged and keep that elbow high. Better. Good, Mace. Better. Nice timing. Did you feel it then? Feel it drop? No. Hold it still. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Better. Didn't drop that time. Right, last couple. Lean back. Get your left side round. Stay sideways on. Play, good. Good. Keep that left side round, hold it still. Well watched. I wouldn't leave it, Mace, that's there to be scored off. It's bounced quite a bit below waist height. Capitalise on it. You can't be leaving balls like that as you're going to put yourself under pressure. You did, but you played, that's how you should play them all, that close to your body. All right, no, just you keep batting. Just get your back foot behind the line. Just work hard on that back lift. Keep it still. Keep it still. Hold it. Right, last two. Last two. Shots. Good one. Last one. Where's our head and weight going then? Yeah, heading away from it. One more. Don't finish on that one. Good. Got to get across to it. And if it's got width, then we punch it. That's better. Right. Right, you're coming over back next door.